In this video, we are going to show how to propagate a banana plant from pups. We have this banana plant on our rooftop in this cement container. It is 3 months old and growing happily. It has produced 2 baby plants or pups. We need to separate these pups from the mother plant so that all of them can get proper nutrition. Separation of baby plants needs special care. The tissues are very soft. They will not survive if separation is not done properly. First, remove the soil around the baby plant. Take time, do it slowly. Do not cut the roots. The roots on the top are from the mother plant. We will take the baby plants away, but make sure that the mother plant is not disturbed at all.
We have cleared the soil properly. This is the most important part. Do not break or tear the baby plant from the mother plant. You need to separate them by cutting. Set the knife or any apparatus, whatever you want to use, parallel with the baby plant. Now apply pressure, cut the plant properly and take out. As you can see, the pup also got some roots. Now we will take care of the mother plant. There is a very high chance of fungal attack in this place. So we will take some fungicide and apply it into the wound properly. Cover the soil like before. We have also cut the small pup, but unfortunately it did not form any roots. Thus, its survival chance is very less. We will now set the soil and give water to the mother plant.
Now, it is the time to plant the baby banana plants. First, we will properly wash them and remove the dirt. Before planting them, we will apply fungicide properly. Remember, the main enemy of this cutting is the fungal attack. The soil mixture that we are using contains 30% red sand and 70% ordinary garden soil. No compost is being used primarily to avoid any fungal attack. We will also add some neem cake dust. This is useful to prevent the roots from fungal and insect attacks. Mix the component properly. See, the soil mixture is very fine grained. We will use this 12-inch grow bags. First, make multiple holes at the bottom so that extra water gets released. This drainage system should work very well because banana plant will rot if the soil holds extra water. Fill the bags halfway. Make a hole in the soil and plant the pup. Press the topsoil a little. Apply water very gently. As the soil is very fine grained, if the force of the water becomes high, it will disturb the soil. Put the plants under direct sunlight. Most important is watering. The soil should always be moist so that new roots can be formed easily. But it should not hold extra water.
First 7 days are very important. Save them from the rain in these days. This is after 1 month and 7 days. The larger plant has responded. It has formed a nice new leaf. But no improvement is from the smaller one. The mother plant is also healthy and grown larger. After 1 month and 17 days, it is sad to say that we could not save the little one. It did not produce any root. So, try not to separate very small baby plants from the mother plant. Let them grow a little till they are forming their own roots. Then you will definitely get success. However, the other plant is very healthy and growing well. It has formed nice deep green leaves. This is after 2 months and 20 days. The plant is fully grown now. We will remove the weeds. The roots are coming out in search of food. Remember, we did not add any compost in the soil mixture during plantation. We also did not use any extra food in the meantime. Just given proper water. Today, for the first time, we are going to provide food to the plant, which is the mixture of 60% cow dung compost and 40% garden soil. Soon we will shift it in a large container. Hope it will produce fruits very soon.